Get the gun away from me.
The best is God just do that. He gets scared.
Yeah, every day. Porra, vai.
Calma, cara, deixa eu mexer minha calça, caralho.
So, look that. So the collar here, right? So what happened? Where are you, Chris?
Yeah, I see. So you just right behind you.
No, I'm gonna need you right here. There we go. So look, I do this move a lot, like heavy guys. Like I like this sweep a lot. Actually, I'm not gonna take credit for this one. Fernando showed us. Fernando Reis showed us at camp this move, and I really like it.
Oh.
So look the detail on this leg. That's the one that's gonna do the job. So you get the collar here, everything, right? So what you wanna do? You control the collar, try to get a good grip. First, you're gonna bring Alexei, I'm gonna bring Alexei back on purpose. So I'm gonna bring him back all the way. I know he's gonna fight to go forward. So now I'm gonna turn, pay attention to this knee. As I go, I'm gonna turn with him, his knee is gonna try to touch the floor. Then I stretch. Make sense? Fernando taught me that. Stop. So right stick with this. One, we got here, right? So the whole movement. Oh, by the way. Oh shit, now it's gonna start. So what I do a lot, sometimes they try to control this arm. I bring it back and I hold you here too. Make them on purpose, I give you this arm to beat, and then I do that. Yeah, no, I want him to have it because it's even easier. Now, because then I take this hand away. So sometimes they know what, like, after a while, everybody knows I'm doing this move, so I start to do this. Like fighting him, bring it back here, then I have, right? And control it right here. Try to get this arm out.
Try to.
Yeah, try to pull it out this arm. It's mine. See? So what we do from here is, I'm gonna fake first, I'm gonna push pitch back. Right here, on purpose. So I know if I try to get up, he's gonna push me back. Now is the move, but look at the leg. The leg does everything. Look how this knee is gonna stretch his leg. The secret is the leg. So when I'm turning Pete, so when I'm turning Pete, and I'm gonna go belly down, this knee does this, back here. Like how we bought said to turn up for. So it's pretty much gonna do that. Then I get up. Do you wanna try?